Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about last in, first out policy in deck. So here is my deck. We are creating it. It is called stack, and we are appending three elements to it. So X, Y, and Z are appended to the stack. Then we are printing the stack. So when I run the code, we see the original stack. X, Y, and Z are three of them. All of them are added. So now the last in element was this Z, and we want to have the last in, first out. So the last element that entered, we want to take it first. Okay, so Z we inserted at last, and we want to start removing from Z. Okay, in order to start removing from Z, we simply use the pop function that is going to remove from the right hand side where the last inserted element is stored. So we use the stack.pop with empty parentheses, and then I print the last element that is being removed, which is Z here. And finally, I print the full deck in the output, and we see now we are having X and Y and Z indeed has been removed. So here in this example, we learned that we can do the last in, first out using deck. Thank you for watching.